In The Human Condition, Hannah Arendt introduces the concept of natality, which she considers fundamental to the human experience. Natality refers to the inherent human capacity to initiate new beginnings, to bring something novel into our reality through actions and speech. For Arendt, this concept is central to understanding human freedom and the ability to change the course of history. The essence of natality is that Arendt contrasts natality with morality. While morality signifies the inevitable and end of life, natality emphasizes the potential for new beginnings that each human birth brings into their reality. When a new person is born, they bring with them the capacity for original thought and action, which can lead to unforeseen and transformative events. She believes that natality is most vividly expressed through action and speech, the ways in which individuals engage with others and participate in the public sphere. Unlike labor, which is repetitive and tied to biological necessity, or work, which involves crafting lasting objects, action, on the other hand, is unique because it has the potential to introduce something entirely new into the world. And the power of new beginnings, according to Arendt's concept of natality, is closely linked to her understanding of freedom. For her, true freedom lies not just in the ability to choose among options, but in the capacity to begin something new that has never existed before. This is what makes human action so powerful. It has the potential to disrupt established orders, create change, and set new processes in motion.